Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to permanently highlight search word in words. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document and take a paragraph. Now we want to permanently highlight search word. Go to the home menu, click the find option. Then find any word this navigation box. Now we can see further word is finded and it's highlighted. We try some another words. We can see he word is finded and highlighted very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.